Hello everyone, my name is Christina Beneki and I am a professor in the Department of Tourism at Ionian University in Corfu, Greece. Welcome to the first part of our lecture on sustainable tourism planning. We will explore the foundational concepts that define sustainable tourism planning and its strategic importance in addressing today's global challenges. We will analyze how effective planning integrates environmental, social, and economic aspects, paving the way for resilience and long-term viability in tourism. Let's dive in and discover how we can foster a more sustainable future in tourism together. Sustainable tourism planning is a strategic and holistic approach that seeks to integrate environmental, social, and economic dimensions into the development and management of tourism activities. This framework is essential for addressing pressing global challenges, including climate change, social inequality, and economic instability, particularly within the tourism sector. The essence of sustainable tourism planning is recognizing the interconnections between tourism and its impacts on the environment, society, and the economy. It requires stakeholders to coordinate efforts to mitigate adverse effects while maximizing positive contributions. Unlike traditional tourism planning, sustainable tourism emphasizes resilience and long-term viability. Thriving ecosystems and vibrant communities are critical to the sustained success of tourism. Sustainable tourism planning aims to balance the needs of diverse stakeholders through comprehensive engagement, ensuring equitable and inclusive development. It focuses on identifying and mitigating negative environmental and social impacts, promoting ecological integrity and community well-being. The ultimate objective is to enhance the quality of life for local residents by creating economic opportunities and supporting cultural preservation. Sustainable tourism planning fosters job creation and supports local entrepreneurship by encouraging the growth of small businesses. Regions implementing these practices diversify their economic activities, reducing dependence on a single industry. Also, financially sustainable tourism strategies contribute to stable, long-term growth for destinations. Sustainable tourism planning emphasizes the protection of ecosystems and biodiversity by regulating activities in sensitive areas to prevent pollution and habitat destruction. Revenue from entrance fees and ecotourism permits supports conservation efforts, creating a beneficial cycle for the environment and local economies. It also promotes eco-friendly practices, significantly reducing environmental impacts. Sustainable tourism planning preserves local cultural heritage by engaging communities in tourism, allowing them to control cultural representation. This leads to authentic experiences for visitors and fosters mutual respect. Empowering locals in the development process supports cultural integrity and enhances community pride. Sustainable tourism planning emphasizes quality experiences over merely increasing visitor numbers, promoting meaningful interactions and education about local culture, environment, and sustainability challenges. This alignment of values enhances visitor satisfaction, leading to repeat visits and positive word of mouth. Sustainable tourism planning includes strategies to manage visitor flow, such as caps, timed entry systems, and promoting off-peak travel. By effectively managing tourist numbers, destinations can reduce negative impacts on local resources, cultural sites, and infrastructure, thereby protecting community quality of life and the natural environment. Additionally, promoting lesser-known attractions helps alleviate stress on popular sites and supports economic development in secondary locations, distributing tourism benefits more equitably. Sustainable tourism planning is vital as it aligns with global initiatives, including the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. By encouraging partnerships with international organizations, it enhances the capacity for sustainability initiatives, providing crucial access to funding, resources, and technical expertise to strengthen local tourism efforts. Understanding the systematic approach to tourism planning is essential for developing effective sustainable tourism strategies. This methodical process consists of several key phases aimed at identifying objectives, devising strategies, and implementing actions aligned with broader tourism development goals. By carefully orchestrating these phases, stakeholders can navigate potential challenges and lay the groundwork for enduring success. In the analytical stage, a comprehensive analysis is conducted using diverse data sources and documentation to understand the territorial and socio-economic variables of the destination. Employing both primary and secondary research methodologies, policymakers gather varied insights, including suggestions and concerns. Together, these elements establish a nuanced tourism baseline that accurately reflects the current context of tourism activity. The diagnostic stage centers on assessing the current tourism situation of the destination, emphasizing transparency, participation, and consensus among stakeholders. Utilizing SWOT analysis, this phase identifies the destination's key strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Insights from the analytical stage guide this diagnosis, while participatory dynamics highlight the importance of collaboration among tourism stakeholders, enriching the overall planning process. Once tourism baseline is established, the strategic step is to formulate a long-term vision for the destination's future. Based on diagnostic results, this phase involves identifying key obstacles that hinder progress. These challenges are then transformed into primary short-term objectives. Clear and well-defined objectives are essential, as they serve as the foundation for developing operational strategies and action plans for the coming years. The operational stage synthesizes previous stages to create a clear action plan for implementation. The plan includes concise actions, a timeline, and monitoring indicators to assess compliance and effectiveness. Emphasizing co-responsibility among stakeholders is crucial for fostering strong governance and collaboration, ensuring that the desired outcomes of the tourism initiatives are achieved. Identifying key stakeholders is a fundamental aspect of the sustainable tourism planning process, laying the groundwork for effective collaboration and engagement among all parties involved. Stakeholders are individuals or groups impacted by, or capable of influencing, tourism development. Therefore, their participation is vital for formulating inclusive and representative tourism strategies. Local communities are paramount stakeholders in sustainable tourism. Their involvement ensures tourism initiatives reflect local needs, preserve cultural heritage, and contribute positively to community life. Government agencies play a crucial role in regulating tourism. Their involvement ensures initiatives align with regulations and strategic goals, facilitating access to resources and expertise. Tourism businesses provide insights into market trends and visitor behaviors. Engaging them helps create strategies that enhance visitor experiences and ensure economic sustainability of local enterprises. Non-governmental organizations focused on environmental conservation, social justice, and cultural preservation are essential in the sustainable tourism planning process. Their expertise informs policies that promote best practices and address community needs. Tourists are key players in shaping demand and preferences for tourism services. Understanding their motivations, behaviors, and expectations is essential for creating offerings that appeal to diverse audiences. In conclusion, sustainable tourism planning represents a vital approach to fostering a tourism sector that is resilient, equitable, and enriching for both visitors and local communities. By integrating environmental, social, and economic dimensions, we can address pressing global challenges while enhancing the quality of life for residents and preserving cultural heritage. As we move forward, remember that every stakeholder plays a critical role in this process. Your engagement and understanding are essential to shaping a sustainable future in tourism. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to our continued exploration of this vital topic.